Hey guys, Masha here from Masha Plans and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit that bell button. Today we're talking about bullet journal icons, and this is a tutorial of 35 different icons you can use in your bullet journal. If you want to see each of them in a bit more of a detail, I do have a free printable worksheet in my resources library, and I will leave the link to it below. It has 40 different icons, and it has a sheet for you to practice your own icons, whichever ones you might need. Let's talk a little bit on why would you want to use icons in your bullet journal to begin with. First of all, we understand visual information around 60,000 times faster than we do text. How absolutely crazy is that? But more than that, actually visual information goes straight to our long-term memory. So that means that first of all, when you see icons, you understand faster what are tasks or what are the events happening, and second of all, you are more likely to remember them. There are a few different ways you can use icons in your bullet journal. First of all, of course, you can use them in your future log or monthly setups. If you add icons symbolizing maybe the big events or the big deadlines, if you add them to your calendar, they're just gonna stand out and it will be easier for you to understand from one glance that something important is happening. Another way is to use the icons in your to-do list, where you just kind of add an icon to your daily box or to your daily spread, symbolizing your focus for the day or the most important task you have that day. That way, once you open your bullet journal, from the first glance you already know what is it you have to be working on, and generally it's more likely that it's going to stay with you during the day and it's not going to be something you will forget in the rush of a bunch of other tasks. Some of my favorite ways to use icons is to use them in habit trackers. It really gives your habit trackers very neat look, and it also allows you to try different formats. For example, personally, I really like vertical habit trackers, and when you have to write down each of your habits, it doesn't look that good. But if you assign little icons to each of your habits, it just works. So yeah, it's definitely something I would recommend you trying. Actually, I just published a blog post about different ways to use icons in your bullet journal and how to maximize the effect they have for making your bullet journal a more productive tool. And if you want to check that out, I will leave a link in the description. I hope I convinced you of using icons in your bullet journal, but I know not everyone is that much into drawing, so if you don't really feel like drawing but you do want to use icons, I have free printable stickers in my resources vault, which are called planner stickers, and those are the ones with a lot of different icons. If that's something you're interested in, the link is going to be in the description. I think that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching it till the end, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Before you leave, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!